We're gonna have some fun today. Look at all the things I have to play with. Look what I got to test out from Resiners. You're probably wondering what it is, unless you've seen it before. It is a UV curing lamp. And look at it. It extends out. And so you can position this however you would like, and these spread out as well. And the UV lights are at the bottom, so you can get a lot of coverage with this. One of the things that I like too is that you charge it using a USB-C cord. And I don't have the setup here, but in your art studio, if you've got a wall that might be right here, like on one of your sides, you can actually stick this to the wall using this clip that comes with it, and then you could use it like this by extending it out, which I think is pretty cool. Like I said, I don't have that set up here, but that would be invaluable, I'm sure, to some people. So I want to say thank you to Resiners for sending me this along with UV resin. I certainly had fun with this, and I do look forward to using this in future UV pieces, but you'll be seeing me use this in this upcoming piece. Look what I have to play with. Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy. Resiners was super nice and sent me their UV resin and their Resiners curing lamp to try out. This is charged, I did charge it, and they gave me this cute little hands, heart, jigsaw puzzle with these cute little glitters. So I thought I would try out the UV resin, some flowers that I had, and just play. So I want to thank Resiners so much for this cute gift. And I also want to thank them for sending me this UV resin to test out, and of course their curing lamp. So we'll see together what we think. So speaking of what I think, this was kind of my plan. I was gonna do something like that. I had all these dried flowers, and do you think I could find them? Nope. But these are the ones that I could find. Oh, I think maybe this pink one would be good if I can get it. Which side do I like? Okay, I think that's the back side. Close there. Yeah, that's the front side. Oh, speaking of which, I'm gonna have to redo that one. There, see, that would have been the wrong side down. All right, but I was just testing it out. Let me get this open. So this is their clear hard type. Fast curing, low odor, crystal clear. And it came in this box, 250 grams with the lid. Okay, this comes with a nice little ring in there. Put that on, make sure it's tight. I'll take the cap off. Good. Now I just want to put a little bit down to glue that flower on. So I'm just putting this right in the very center. And now, here we go. Up. Let's do that one. And this one. silicone tip and just push that silicone out to the edge of the petals, pushing out any bubbles. Making sure it is centered. That looks good. Good. There, what do you guys think? Center? It's so cute. So cute. All right, now I have to decide on glitter, glitterati. There's this pinky purpley one. Red, I think that one's, ooh, this one's red and silver. Oh, I'm getting glitter all over me already. Ah, glitter wars. Let's move them over here. Here's another light purpley mix. Red hearts, that's cute too. Bows. Ooh, that one's like a pinky purple one. That could be fun. And then there's a, oh, this is a like a peachy one. I think this one would work quite well for that flower. Okay. I'm gonna get full of these little guys. From here, we're going into fast forward mode, and most of this will be pretty self-explanatory, but I'll just kind of let you know what I'm doing right here. I'm just mixing up the glitter into two of the different containers. One's gonna have glitter that's a little bit darker for the darker flower, and the other one's gonna have a little bit of the glitter that's a little bit lighter for that light peachy flower. I'm adding a little bit of the UV resin, and I continue to mix the glitter up until I get something that's just beyond a paste. I want it to be able to drip out of these little silicone pore things, but I don't want it to come rushing out, but I also, don't want it in a big glob. And so just sit back and watch. All right. So you can separate these. So you press this button, you can press it 3 times. If you press it once, it will stay on for constant curing. If you press it 2 times, then it's 120 seconds. I'm not sure if I pressed the button quick enough for it to do the full 120. All right, I'm back. I obviously, oh, it did go off. Okay, so, ooh, not moving. I do want to cure this side as well though. So let's get her back up. Okay, that's set in there pretty well. I like it. Feels a little warm on the bottom. Now what are we gonna do with these bits? I ended up putting my Resiners UV lamp back over my piece on the front side just to make sure that it's fully cured. And while I was waiting for the 120 seconds, I hauled out the more purpley glitter that I got, and I'm mixing it up here for those smaller puzzle pieces. This is the first time I've used Resiners UV resin. What I like about it is that it is fairly fluid and it is very, very clear, which is great if you're doing a project that requires clear resin. Fantastic. I loved using it. I think I only hit it once. Oh, there it goes. I didn't. Hit it twice. Now, gotta do the other side. Dokey. I'm back. So these bits here were done with the UV resin from Resiners, and they're all cured. Now I mixed up 5 ounces of regular resin, and I thought I would use Color Passion Red Robin Luster and Berry Violet. My idea for the way that I'm pouring these two colors out and together is to create a marbled effect. We're back. I did add a second layer. I didn't film it because it was exactly the same as the first. So all I did was mix up an additional 4 ounces of resin, and that pretty much covered this up. All right, let's get these puzzle pieces out. All right, there's the mold. Okay. Oh, that worked quite well. Not sure what that's for. Anyway, all right. Look. Okay. And then the glitter glitters. So that's what these are looking like. So I'm assuming these are gonna go like that. See if I can put my broken heart together. Sneaky, sneaky. Yay! And now I was able to put my heart back together. No more broken pieces. So you can see, sky's the limit with this. You can do whatever you want. But yeah, you would stand it up. I will show you shots at the end. Resiners has all kinds of stuff for you. As you know, I already have their dual head resin mixer, which I love. And so I've been very happy and excited to try out their UV resin, which works really well. Highly recommend it. So links for these will be in my description below, but they do more than molds and resin equipment. They have obviously UV resin, but they've got regular resin, they've got pigments, they've got glitters, they've got molds, just about anything you could think of to get those creative juices flowing. So make sure you check out their website. Click the link below, and there is also a 15% discount code that you can apply to any of your orders. With that, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.